Hello, welcome to today's live here at Magic Hair Company. I am styling this 16-inch body weight front lace wig. As you can see here, I've already started to flat iron out this side over here, and this side is still wavy, and I've cut some layers in the front here, and after I flat iron this out, you guys will be able to see it a little bit more. So now I'm going to flat iron and continue to layer the rest of this wig here. If you're new to shopping with us here at Magic Hair Company, we are located, let me trim my hair a little bit. We're located in Culver City, California, USA. We're located in Culver City, California, USA. Our website is magichaircompany.com, and we specialize in making custom glueless full lace and front lace wigs. We also do custom color here in store, as you can see from this wig that I have on and many of the wigs behind me. We do styling in store. If you want bangs, if you want layers, we are the company for you. We can really custom make you a wig. So whether you're suffering from hair loss or you just want a new look, we here at Magic Hair Company will definitely take care of you and get you in a beautiful new wig. So stay tuned today while I style the this side of this 16-inch wavy wig here. Hi guys. We are currently open by appointment preferred, which means that we prefer that you make an appointment, but if you don't have an appointment, come on by anyways. We're open here in our Culver City store, Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. And we would love for you to come in and have an amazing custom wig shopping experience. If you're new to wearing wigs, or if you've been wearing wigs for years, come shop with us and see the difference in Magic Hair Company wigs. My wigs are made of high quality hair and constructed with fine lace, and my wigs are made to last. So this is not throwaway hair where you spend a few $100s and then you have to buy a new wig in a couple of months. My wigs with proper care will last you for years to come. We do styling and maintenance here in store, so don't ever hesitate to let us know how we can assist you with your wig. If you ever have any questions, give us a call here in store during our business hours. Our phone number is 310-558-0181. We're here to assist you with all of your wig questions. So this wig is currently in the natural color, and we can color it. This client, she just wants it in the natural color, and she asked for me to add some layers to the front and to straighten out the wavy. So that's what I'm doing. And notice it does not take a whole lot of effort to flat iron this out. Also notice that the flat iron is not smoking and sizzling. Now if you're flat ironing out your extension and the hair starts to smell and sizzle, that is a sign that there's a lot of chemicals in the hair, as well as plastic or mix-ins like that. So the hair does not smoke or sizzle as I'm flat ironing it, nor does it smell like burnt hair. Our hair does not smell like burnt hair or corn chips. You don't have to do any sort of special bath to the hair when you get it. It smells like nothing. Sometimes it might smell like conditioner if it's a colored wig, because we've had to wash it a lot to when we color it, but our wigs don't have that, that smell. Make sure to subscribe to our newsletter if you want to be the first to know about all of our sales, our discounts, our promotions. Sometimes we may have a sale on color. Sometimes we may have a sale on a specific texture, like our kinky straight. We did just get a big order of kinky straight wigs and bundles that I'll show you right now. And I'll put those up on the website by the end of the week. So we got this shipment right here of our beautiful kinky straight bundles in. So if you're looking for a really, really natural, beautiful hair, we have our kinky straight bundles in stock here. Not only do we have our kinky straight wefted hair, but we also have clip-ins and wigs available too. And LA is opening back up. So we've been very busy over the last 2 weeks. We've been really busy with everybody getting their new wigs because a lot of people have to go back to work or they're just excited to get out of the house. So right now is the perfect time to get your wig orders in. A few of our clients who have been coming by lately, actually over the year with the pandemic, I've been told that one of the side effects of that some people are experiencing after COVID is hair loss. So a great solution after if you're losing your hair for any reason, whether it's, we have all sorts of clients who have alopecia, clients who are losing their hair because of stress, clients who are going through chemo, but if you've survived COVID and one of your issues is hair loss, come on in and get a wig. We will take care of you. We had one lady come in and she was telling us how she's losing her hair after she had COVID, and she had no idea that was one of the side effects because nobody really talked about it. And she was just really glad to find us, and she just had a little bit of hair loss, but whatever our clients need, that's what we're here for. So she had some hair loss and we got her in a great wig. Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions. But yeah, like I was saying, if for that client who was a COVID survivor, she wanted to get herself a wig, and she did, and she loves her wig. A wig is always a great, easy solution if you're losing your hair or if you just want a new look. Get a wig. It's so easy to put on. Make sure you get a natural looking, great feeling, great quality wig. The quality of your wig will definitely help with making your wig look natural. There's a lot of things that go into making a wig. You can't just have decent hair. You have to have hair specifically for wigs. You have to lay the hair right. You have to tie the hair in the lace correctly. You have to have good quality hair. If you don't have quality hair, it's not going to last. We've been testing a lot of hair lately, and hair in the hair industry is definitely changing because our vendors keep sending me hair that, as we like to describe it, it just changes. Like after we wash it like 3 times, because we always color hair that vendors send us to test. And after we wash it, and we usually give it to one of our friends or family members, and our friends or family members will tell us like, this is not your guys' hair, it just turned. Like it gets hard and the texture really just changes. So a lot of times when you guys are shopping with hair companies online, you're like, oh, the hair looks pretty, it's a 16-inch body wave, it says it's human hair, it costs much less than your hair, but I'm going to buy it because it looks the same. Well, one, you're buying hair online, you have no idea what you're actually getting. And once you get that hair, if you don't like it, is it easy for you to send back? No. So shop with us. We are a reputable hair provider in the US. We specialize in making custom wigs, and I personally see every wig that comes in my store here. I've had this store I've been in business for 10 years. I've been here in Culver City for a little over 8 years, and I really know about the quality of wigs, the quality of hair that's going on in the industry, also the different foundation changes, and all of the different things that have to do with lace and creating wigs. So when you see a cheaper price online for wigs, there's a reason for that. You never know what kind of quality you're getting. So that is a definite benefit of shopping with Magic Hair Company. We're here, we're easily accessible. You can definitely call and speak to us. We're located in Culver City, California. And if she wants this texture to go back to being wavy, all she has to do is wet it, and it will definitely go right back to being wavy again. At the top here, and this is the parting space up front, so you can definitely part this in a lot of different ways. So that gives you a lot of versatility. We have a really natural hairline as well as a lot of parting space here in the front of our wigs. So sometimes people will ask us, well, I want full lace, but you only have front lace. Unless you're planning on parting your wig all the way down the back, then a front lace wig will usually suffice for how you're going to actually wear your wig. Now, if you do plan on doing 2 plaits down the back or parting it in multiple different ways, then that's when the benefits of a full lace wig would come into play, because then you can freely part your wig however you want. But as far as the front hairline and parting in the front, whether you want to do a front or a side part, a regular front lace wig will suffice that. But if you guys ever have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask me or my assistants any of the questions that you may have. And I am almost done here. I cut a few layers in the front. It looks like I'm going to go back and do a couple more layers in the front. This is a 16-inch body wave that we just flat ironed out. And I have 2 more pieces right here, and then I'll be done. Again, our wigs can only be found at magichaircompany.com. Okay, last piece here. I probably should have just lowered the mannequin head, but I'm done now. Okay. So here is this lovely lady. This is a 16-inch front lace that I flat ironed out. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil to her, and there we go. All right, check us out here at Magic Hair Company. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to our channel. We are currently open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. We are your glueless, full lace, and front lace wig maker located here in Culver City, California. See you soon, guys. Bye.